Hey guys, what's up? For today's lesson, we will learn on how to animate a creeper plant using Growfx. So let's get started. Alright, so we will be using the Max Tree Creeper model, and then we're going to add some wind object to it. Alright, so let's select the Growfx. And then let's turn this one into a line first. It's just manual update for now. Click highlights, turn this off, and then let's see where we can add the wind. Alright, so for this model, we won't be animating this branches here, since it won't be affected by the wind. And this one, branch 4, will be the same. So we will be adding wind to this petiole, or what do they call this? Petiole, 2 petioles and the leaf, alright? 2 leaves. Okay, so we'll go to the first petiole or petiole. We'll add some wind modifier to it. Let's turn that on. So these are the small stems here. Okay, and then we're just gonna go to After Mesh Builder and then add a wind animation. Right, and create. Okay, so let's set this to 50, bigger. And then we'll set this one give me a sec, I'm just checking the other setting. Right, we'll set the wind to 200, and then the per tube speed will be 10, and then this one will be 100 for the size. And then let's go to the Growfx for stem 1. We'll just call it stem, and then we'll set it to we'll set it to 4000 for the stiffness, right? And then 500 for the flexibility. We won't be changing the scale, frequency, or amplitude. So we're gonna check the animation now. Oh wait, let me just rename this one to Petiole 1 or Petiole. Well, let's just call it stem. Alright, so let's see how this one get animated. Let's just set the time frame. So time frame to 250, and 25 frames, and then this one will be 250. Okay, all right, so let's play the hit button, play button. All right, so we just wanted a slow breeze for this animation, not a pretty strong wind. Okay, that will be fine. And then we'll add, I will unhide this one. Alright, and then we're gonna copy that wind modifier from the first stem. Copy, and then go to stem 2, and then paste. So we're still going to use the same wind object, which is this one. And then we're going to duplicate this one for the leaf. Okay. Right. So for the leaf, we're going to change the object, the wind object to 300, and then this one will be 400. Alright, and then let's show off the leaf. Just do manual update for now, so it won't keep on showing that progress. We'll just do the update one time. Okay, so now we got the leaf, so we'll add the, go to leaf, and then we'll add the wind animation, and then pick the wind object for the leaf. Alright. Okay, and then we'll set the settings for the stiffness to 5000, and then this one to 3. Okay, and then we're just gonna copy this one and then paste it again to leaf 2, but this time we'll change the stiffness and flexibility of leaf 2 to a different values, to 1000 and to 10. It's just to add some variation on the leaf animation instead of having both the same values. So let's see. Alright, so as we can see, the stems are moving and also the leaves. Alright, so we're gonna do a preview now. So Shift B, and then go to 250, set to 200 for the output, so it will be 1:80 resolution, and then create. Alright, so this preview won't take long since the model itself in Growfx is not too dense, not too heavy. Let's just wait for it to finish. Alright, so it's done now. Let me just rewind that one. Okay, so as we can see, there's some slight movement on the wind, on the leaves, and on the stem also. So which is good for the animation. Just very slow, subtle movement on the leaves. Alright, so we're gonna try a perspective view. Right. It's gonna make a preview. Actually, we're just gonna make it standard, so it won't show much shadow in the preview. So on this lesson, we won't be showing how to convert it to Corona proxy, animated Corona proxy, or V-Ray animated proxy, because I already have those tutorials on my previous videos, so go check them out. Alright, so it's looking pretty good with a slow wind, which is ideal for animation fly-throughs. So I think that's all for this tutorial. If you have any questions about my videos, then you can just message me in Facebook or leave a comment in YouTube. So thank you for watching, guys, and hope you learned something, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.